ALLWAY aluminum spray shield is your secret weapon for razor-sharp paint lines without masking tape. Crafted from lightweight, rust-resistant aluminum, it's perfect for trimming, ceilings, or baseboards. The easy grip handle ensures control during long spray sessions, while the rolling edge glides smoothly across surfaces. It blocks overspray like a champ, saving you cleanup time. Painters love the crisp finish it delivers every single time. Whether you're doing small touch-ups or full walls, it's a total game changer. Shield smarter and paint like a pro with this genius tool. Tackle fasteners of all shapes with the Crescent X6 Pass-Thru socket and Ratchet system. This multi-fit socket system replaces traditional deep sockets and adapts to 6 different fastener types. Its slim design allows access to tight spaces that standard ratchets can't reach. The Pass-Thru feature means no more swapping between tools for different depths. Built with durable chrome vanadium, it's ready for heavy-duty jobs. Mechanics and DIYers alike swear by its versatility and strength. From engine work to furniture builds, this system does it all. It's the only ratchet set you'll ever need. Keep your painting tools protected and organized with the Purdy Painter's storage box. Designed for professionals, it has custom compartments for brushes, rollers, frames, and more. Built to endure job sites, it's weather-resistant and rugged. The transparent lid lets you see your gear at a glance. Everything stays clean, dry, and right where you left it. It even fits into tight truck beds or tool rooms with ease. Say goodbye to lost or damaged tools forever. With this box, your paint game stays sharp and efficient. Precision repairs start with the RL601F mobile fixture, a must-have for phone technicians. It holds delicate phone motherboards steady while you solder or diagnose. The adjustable clamps fit various models, offering flexibility on the bench. Whether you're replacing ICs or fixing traces, it keeps your hands free and components safe. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it resists heat and wear. Say goodbye to slips and shaky hands during repairs. It's compact, lightweight, and a dream for mobile tech pros. If you work with microelectronics, this is a game changer. The HIFESON pneumatic rivet nut gun brings muscle to metalwork with smooth, fast rivet nut installation. Powered by air, it makes heavy-duty riveting nearly effortless. Say goodbye to sore arms and stripped threads. It's built for high-volume work. Great for car mods, industrial jobs, and steel projects. Its ergonomic grip and precise trigger control reduce fatigue. You get clean, tight fastenings with zero hassle. Built tough to last through demanding tasks, it's the power tool your rivet nuts have been waiting for. Cut thinner, safer, and smarter with the GRR-RIPPER 1/8 leg table saw accessory. It allows you to rip ultra-thin strips without risking your fingers or losing control. Designed to work with the GRR-RIPPER system, this add-on adds precision where you need it most. Ideal for intricate woodworking, custom trims, and hobby builds. The high-friction grip keeps your stock steady. No more waste, no more kickback, just clean, accurate cuts. Even beginners feel like pros using this tool. It's the ultimate upgrade for table saw safety and performance. Get perfectly mixed paints every time with this mini stirrer tool. No more shaking bottles or dealing with unmixed clumps. This handheld mixer is battery-operated and designed for hobby paints, resin, and craft liquids. It reaches the bottom of jars with ease, blending colors smoothly. The tool is small, lightweight, and simple to clean. Just dip it in, switch on, and stir away. It's perfect for model builders, artists, and detail enthusiasts. Add one to your workbench and elevate your finish quality instantly. Turn your Ryobi battery into a mobile charging hub with the Mellif USB adapter. It adds dual USB ports to any Ryobi 18V battery, letting you charge phones, tablets, or LED lights. Whether you're camping, working on site, or dealing with a blackout, it's a lifesaver. Compact and easy to carry in your tool bag, built tough for job site conditions. And the USB ports are fast and reliable. No more dead phones during long shifts. This clever little adapter gives your tools extra utility. It's portable power made smarter. The Tiger Tool. U-joint puller is a beast when it comes to removing stubborn joints without damage. It delivers powerful, consistent pressure that easily breaks seized or rusted U-joints. Built from high-grade steel, this tool can handle the toughest trucks and heavy machinery. No more hammering or makeshift rigs, just precision pulling with minimal effort. It saves time and spares your knuckles on every job. Mechanics trust it for fast, clean results without collateral damage. It's efficient, safe, and built like a tank. Serious pros swear by Tiger Tool for a reason. The ALLWAY Handy Saw is your compact go-to for quick cuts on wood, plastic, or drywall. Its ergonomic grip gives you control and comfort during every stroke. With sharp, replaceable blades, it's always ready for action. Perfect for tight spaces or small repairs where big saws can't reach. Whether you're a contractor or weekend warrior, this tool never quits. Toss it in your bag and take it anywhere. It's lightweight, reliable, and cuts like a champ. Handy by name and even handier in action. Painting made easier starts with the Purdy Painter's Pail. It holds paint, tools, and has a built-in magnet to secure your brush upright. The comfortable grip lets you paint for hours without strain. Its pour spout and brush holder make the whole job cleaner and faster. With a solvent-resistant design, it stands up to any paint type. It's sturdy, well-balanced, and ideal for detailed work. Professionals love the workflow boost. Once you use this pail, there's no going back to buckets. Ease your body while perfecting your craft with the Easy Lean Trowel Support Tool. It supports your trowel at an ideal working height, reducing back strain and fatigue. This clever tool is lightweight yet tough enough for the rigors of daily work. Ideal for plastering, tiling, or finishing concrete surfaces. It helps maintain consistent pressure and clean lines. Perfect for pros who spend hours bent over surfaces. Improve posture, finish faster, and protect your body long-term. Your spine will thank you with every job. The AFA Tooling Deburring Tool slices through rough edges on metal, plastic, resin, and more. It includes 10 extra high-speed steel blades for serious shaping and smoothing. From 3D printed parts to copper pipes, this tool delivers flawless finishes. Its comfortable grip reduces hand strain during long projects. Great for makers, plumbers, and engineers alike. Blade changes are quick and easy for uninterrupted workflow. Precision, speed, and versatility come standard. A clean edge is just one swipe away. Shape, smooth, and refine with the high-spec 16-piece file set. Each file offers precision control from flat to round and triangular profiles. Great for metals, plastics, and soft woods in hobby or professional settings. The anti-slip handles give a secure grip even during fine work. Whether you're restoring a tool edge or crafting a model, this set performs. Organized neatly in a roll-up case for portability and storage. Durable steel teeth resist clogging and wear. It's your go-to set for detail perfection. One tool, 6 functions. The Horace D wire stripper cuts, crimps, strips, and more. Adjustable tension gives you precision on various wire sizes. The anti-slip grip keeps your hands comfortable during extended use. Electricians love it for quick, clean connections in tight spots. Made with heat-treated steel, it holds up to daily abuse. Whether you're wiring a home or a control panel, it's got your back. It even works great for speaker and automotive installs. When efficiency matters, reach for Horace DE. The Unikumu multifunction car tool is a lifesaver packed into a pocket-sized gadget. It's a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, flashlight, and phone charger all in one. Whether you're on a road trip or in an emergency, it's the ultimate backup. The rugged body and ergonomic design fit perfectly in any glove box. Keep it close. You never know when you'll need it. From nighttime tire changes to roadside rescues, it performs. Peace of mind is just one tool away. Every car deserves one of these on board. The Stanley Folding Sawhorse turns any space into a stable workstation in seconds. It supports up to 1,000 pounds per pair, handling wood, tools, and more with ease. The rubber feet prevent slipping, and built-in cord hooks add convenience. It folds flat for easy transport and storage in vans or closets. Lightweight, yet incredibly tough. Ideal for pros or DIYers. The textured top grips wood securely for precise cuts. Whether framing or painting, it's got your back. Fold, carry, work, done. Cut thick cables like butter with the Noisy Ratchet wire cutter. Its sharp blades and ratchet mechanism give you power with minimal hand effort. Designed for copper and aluminum wires, it delivers clean, smooth cuts every time. The compact body fits tight spaces without compromising strength. Built with high-carbon steel, it's ready for daily abuse. Electricians love it for speed and safety. Locking handles provide secure storage after the job. It's small, mighty, and essential for serious cable work. When precision and safety matter most, The Fluke voltage, continuity, and current tester delivers. Built for electricians and serious technicians, it gives quick, reliable readings in any condition. The rugged design withstands drops, dirt, and daily job site abuse. Bright LED indicators and a digital screen make it easy to read in low light. Whether you're checking outlets, circuits, or motors, it's spot on every time. No false readings, no delays, just pure confidence in every test. Compact and pocket-friendly, it's always within reach. Trust Fluke. It's the pro's choice for a reason. Compact and precise, the ASA Tools CSB wire stripper and cutter is perfect for electronics and fine wiring work. It strips insulation without nicking the wire and cuts cleanly in one squeeze. The spring-loaded design reduces fatigue during repetitive use. Great for control panels, small appliances, and DIY electronics. Its ergonomic grip gives you total control for delicate tasks, built from high-strength steel for long life and reliability. Whether you're a hobbyist or a technician, it's a pocket powerhouse. Get clean cuts and pro results every time. The Wolfcraft MegaCut S is like holding a razor blade on steroids. This ultra-sharp cutter slices through plastic, foam, leather, and more with surgical precision. It's designed for one-handed use with a safety locking system built in. The ergonomic handle ensures you get power and control in every cut, perfect for home renovations, crafts, or packaging jobs. The replaceable blade design keeps it sharp and cost-effective. Smooth, effortless slicing that just feels satisfying. It's not just sharp, it's MegaCut sharp. Power meets portability in the TechCPO Mini Circular Saw. It may be small, but it rips through wood, tile, and plastic like a champ. The laser guide helps you make accurate, straight cuts every time. Adjust depth and angle on the fly with simple controls. Whether you're remodeling, crafting, or trimming, it handles it all. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for tight spaces and overhead work. It even includes multiple blades for different materials. Who needs bulky saws when this mini beast does it all? Light up your workspace like never before with the Matco Tools Pro Charge. This heavy-duty rechargeable LED light is perfect for mechanics, garages, and dark engine bays. It attaches magnetically, rotates 360 degrees, and blasts out bright, clear light. Built to survive drops, spills, and rough handling without a blink. Long battery life keeps you going through the entire job. It charges fast and holds strong all shift long. Whether you're under the hood or under a cabinet, this is your lighting solution. When other lights quit, ProCharge keeps glowing. Meet the Wolftooth 8 Bit Pack Pliers, a multi-tool engineered for adventure. It combines pliers, a chain tool, and 17 different bits in one sleek foldable body. Built for cyclists, hikers, and handy persons who need function without bulk. Magnetic storage keeps the bits secure, and every piece locks in with precision. It's made from durable, CNC machined aluminum and steel. Small enough to fit in your saddlebag or pocket. Big enough to fix almost anything on the go. One tool, endless possibilities. Ride smarter with Wolftooth. Thank you for watching this video from Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe for more content just like this.